Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a audio reactive 8x8 matrix display, RGB display. So first of all you have to install the KY-037 sound sensor. In my previous video I have already shown you how to make the entire unit. In this video I will just add a sound sensor. So I have already added a sound sensor. So you have to connect A0 of the sound sensor with A0 of ESP8266 and ground and VCC with 3.3 volt of the board. So after that you have to install a correct binary. You have to install sound reactive WLED unit with the help of flasher. So I have already downloaded ESP flasher. With the help of the flasher I am just installing the binary 13. You see it, SR sound reactive binary, and then I have to flash the module. After flashing is completed, you have to remove the cable and connect it with power supply. So friend, you can see the unit is already started. Now you have to configure the Wi-Fi. So after configuring Wi-Fi, just connect WLED.app. So here you have to give the Wi-Fi details with which you are connected. After that so you have to configure the LED preferences and you have to give the number of LED you have connected. So as I have connected a 8x8 matrix, it will be 64 number of LED. After that 0 and 255 as gain and save it. So other settings are okay, you don't need to change it. And now I will show you the unit is connected. So you can see it is connected with voice activations. So friend, you can see there are lot of options with star marks, and all the star marks are with voice activations, and without star mark is not voice activated. So I have installed the binary of 13 0.30 sorry 0.13, and you can say it is working fine. So friends, please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.